Hey, what's going on? Coach D here, and we're working on grass bird's tail right and transitioning into single whip. All right, let's get to it. All right, so we're working on grass bird's tail right, but before we do, let's go over grass bird's tail left. Pull back. And we have pressed at the palm. Now we're pushing at the wrist. Reach over, roll back, press. Then transition. Shift the weight back, turn the left foot toe in, gather to the left, bringing the right foot to meet the left foot as if you're holding a ball. And now we will start our grass bird's tail right from here. We take a step with the right foot, empty step. As we do, we are bringing the left hand down and turning our body to the right, and then shifting from here now, pushing out the palm. Then extending, reach out with the right hand, turn the palm up on the left, grass bird's tail down as you shift back. Turn the body to the left slightly. Here, hit with the back of the right hand, rotate the left palm and press at the wrist. The left hand catches up to the right hand. Press over, clear, bringing the palms down and across. Push back, hold energy, roll back here. Press. Yeah. So our transition after grass bird's tail right, we roll back, press with the right foot forward, both hands down. We are shifting our weight to the left foot, turn the body to the left, right toe coming in, hands come across, We shift our weight now to the right side, bringing the left foot in, and we bring our left hand to meet our right wrist. All right, so that's been Grasper's tail right, transitioning into our next movement, which will be single whip. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.